Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created these nails. I did use Polygel for the first time. So if you want to see how I created these nails, then just keep on watching. So the Polygel I'm going to be using today is from Wish, and I did get them in 6 colors. I got it in clear, soft pink, regular pink, nude pink, rose pink, and nude. And I did get this spatula and brush duo from Wish as well, you guys. It's really good quality, and I'll be sure to link everything down below for you guys along with the pricing. So the color I'm going to be using today is nude, and all you're going to need is some alcohol and just put it in like a damping dish, and then you're all set to go. Really easy. You do not need a lot of products for this application. So I'm going to start off by dipping my spatula into the alcohol so that the polygel doesn't stick to my spatula when I'm trying to apply it. And I just go ahead and get just as much as I need and put it right onto my nail. And I'm going to go ahead and dip the brush part into the alcohol as well and begin to blend that out. So the best thing about Polygel is it doesn't dry down until you put it into your LED light or UV light. Unlike acrylic, you can work as slow as you want and you can make the shape as perfect as you want. And then as soon as you think the shape is just like you like it, you can go ahead and put it under the lamp, and then that's when it will dry down. Polygel is perfect for beginners like myself. I found this to be way easier than working with acrylic. And as you guys can see, I am taking my time and I'm just blending that out, making sure it's not any spilling over the sides. And you guys, this is just a breeze to work with. Like, look at that. It literally is like spreading butter. Like, it was, this is so easy, you guys. Trust me, if you want to do your nails at home, try Polygel first, you guys. Super easy. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this in my UV light. It does say 30 seconds, but I did do 90 seconds for each finger. And that's what it looks like after it dries, you guys. How freaking cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat those steps for all of my fingers. And I did go ahead and speed these parts up so that the video is not too long, but it's pretty self-explanatory what I'm doing here. And as you guys can see, I do like to start at the cuticle and blend that in first because I feel like that's the most important part of the nail. And I'm not a professional, so I want to make sure the cuticle is nice and, you know, thin and flush before I do anything else. And again, I'm just placing my hand back into my UV light. And I got about 3 more fingers to go, you guys. So I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys watch what I'm doing. You guys, look how perfect that looks. And this is before any shaping or filing. It just looks so good. And these are my nails right after they've all been cured. They look so good. They already look like they've been filed, but nope, you guys, we're going to go right into filing. So I am going to go ahead and use my hand file. This is the 100 grit hand file, and I'm going to use that to file all of my nails. Because Polygel is so soft and so easy to work with, I didn't find it necessary to use my e-file, so I'm going to go ahead and use my hand file for all of my nails. And you guys, these nails shaped and buffed just so easily. And I just see me going over it with my buffer just to make sure there's no marks or anything on there from my hand file. And now I'm just going ahead and taking some alcohol and wiping some of that dust particles off of my nails so I can go ahead and apply some of my top coat. And this is what we are looking like so far. Really cute, you guys. So now I'm going to go ahead with my oily top coat, and I'm going to go ahead and coat all of my nails. Another good thing about Polygel is you do not have to go ahead, you don't have to paint your nails after. You can just go ahead and apply top coat if you're okay with the color of the Polygel. And I love nude nails, so I was okay with this. And again, I'm going to pop that into my UV lamp. And this is the final look, you guys. Super easy, so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with these nails. Like, Polygel is bomb. So now that I feel like I've got the hang of Polygel, I do plan on going more into acrylic. And if you guys have any other Polygels you want me to try, go ahead and let me know down below. And if you want to see anything else on my channel, let me know down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.